Welcome, beautiful souls. I invite you to sit down, take a deep breath, and close your eyes. Let us journey together to a place of serenity and sanctuary, a place where you reconnect with your innermost power. Imagine yourself standing on a pristine, secluded beach. The sky above is a brilliant blue, and the sound of gentle waves lap against the shore, filling your ears. You feel the warm, soft sand under your feet and take a deep breath of the salty sea air, feeling a sense of calmness wash over you. As you walk along the shoreline, you notice the way the sunlight dances on the water, creating a mesmerizing, sparkling effect. The rhythmic sound of the ocean soothes your spirit, washing away any tension you carried with you. You reach out and let the cool, refreshing water lap over your toes, feeling connected to the vast, eternal ocean, the boundless horizon before you. Now imagine a beam of golden light enveloping you, pouring into every fiber of your being, filling you with strength and empowerment. You are a virtuous, powerful being capable of immense love, compassion, and understanding. Even in this serene place, you are acutely aware of the world around you. You recognize the pain, the suffering, and the cries for help from those enduring unimaginable horrors, such as the genocide taking place in Palestine. Your heart aches with empathy, but it also burns with a fierce determination to make a difference. Feel the power of your voice rising from deep within. You stand tall, a beacon of hope and light, sending a clear and powerful message to the world and to your governments. War and genocide are evil. We will not stand idly by. We demand that these atrocities end now. Envision your message traveling far and wide, reaching the ears and hearts of those in power. Imagine the impact of millions of voices like yours, uniting in harmony, demanding justice, peace, and humanity. Remember, you are not alone. Together we can ignite change. In this serene sanctuary of your mind, hold onto your strength, your compassion, and know that you are a vital part of this global movement for peace. Open your eyes now and carry this vision with you. Speak out, stand up, and never underestimate the power of your voice, for you are a powerful, virtuous being, and the world needs your light. Thank you for being here. Let's make a difference together.